This is the AccuQuilt Hunter's Star or Hunter Star, and it was really fun to make, honestly. I am really happy with how it turned out, and I am now quilting it. I am using patterns by Pro Stitcher, and you can see that it's a little bit interesting in how it is going to be quilted. So whereas this looks like the block, what the pattern actually does is this right here is going to get stitched to one block. Then you have triangles on the outside all around. Then you have sashing, which is going to be just this section right here. Then there's going to be a separate block that goes inside the star. And all of those will give you the whole quilt. What I'm going to be doing though right now is that while there are mostly whole blocks, there are also these little ones in the corners that are partial block. And you can imagine that that would be really hard to place. I'm going to show you a really unique way of getting this to fit without having to pick a 4-point or a 1-point or 2-point or whatever, where I can get this to fit. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go into PatternCAD and I'm going to use the marking tool and I'm going to mark out this shape. So let me pause the camera and I'm going to do that. So what I did was I went into plugins and I chose the marking tool, and then I'm in the marking tool right now, and I just marked this shape right here, which is on my quilt. Right there, this is that shape. So once I have it marked, I'm going to go to close this out, and I'm going to go directly into PatternCAD. When I select this, I'm going to say Safe Area. And as you see now in my Safe Area, in PatternCAD, that marking that I had is in my Safe Area. It's right there on my PatternCAD screen. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the one that I want to use. It's this one right here. I'm going to open that up, and as you can see, it's too big. But I have all of these controls over here that I can get it to fit inside that shape. So let me show you. I'm going to say select all. All of them are selected. I'm also going to then turn off my nodes so I can see the shape a little bit better right here. Nodes off. So now I can see that shape. And I'm going to use the size button. And I'm also going to use the move button. And I'm going to get it into that shape exactly. So I'm going to turn the camera off and do that. So all I did was I did make my screen bigger with the magnify. But then I use my controls until I get it to fit right inside of the shape. And now I'm going to go quilt. I have to save it. I'm going to say OK. And I'm going to save it. I'm just going to say 1. Enter. And close this out. Save. So I am now, as you're going to see, it's already placed for me. Even though it might say eventually that I need to place this pattern, I don't need to place it. It's already placed exactly as I want it to be. So all I need to do is push quilt. And it says the pattern has not been placed. Do you wish to proceed? And it's placed, so I'm going to say yes. And it's just going to sew. I'm just going to pull up the bobbin and it's going to sew exactly in that space, and I won't even really have to do anything. Thanks for watching.